to know where the problem is. Eh? Mm, what of other system from other apart from your own system, from header system to accountant system, does it fast? Uh, no fast. Okay, okay. Anyway, let's first of all, let's compact the database first. We go run compact so that you go make the database light and see wetin dey cause am. Compact. From the file menu, you will see repair and compact. You now run compact. That is from file menu. By the time wey they don nobody dey post again, you first of all when they shut down, when they finish shut down before anybody log in, you now run compact. Under from access Microsoft Access. You just like you want to open the data, you open the database. After open the database, you now look for repair and compact. If you run that compact, so the thing suppose to dey fast. If you no come dey fast, so the problem will be whether na you check other system, whether na operating system. We now see wetin we fit do to make am fast. The first aid na compact. Na to run compact. From file menu you see compact. If you compact am, e go faster, e go fast the operation, post is small. No require much anything, na just run compact, just normal, no programming, nothing. File menu. Yeah, compact and repair. Log out, let everybody log out before you compact. If then they use the database, you no go gree. Before everybody log in, and you go run that compact. You two have to log out, you no go log in. Help me monitor accountant for that entry, making him do am more. I'll call her. Okay. Yeah.
better do the phone because marvelous don't dey disturb me. This phone I'm not giving her any calculator or any dictionary. I'll help her collect.